Welcome to Lesson 1 of Module 4, Risk Mitigation in AI Projects. Today, we'll focus on understanding the types and sources of risks in AI systems. Risk management is foundational for building responsible and reliable AI. By identifying where risks arise, we can take the first step in designing trustworthy systems. Let's dive in and explore how these risks impact ethical, operational, financial, and reputational outcomes. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to define the main types of risks in AI, identify their sources across the AI lifecycle, and understand how these risks impact organizations and stakeholders. These objectives will set the stage for later lessons, where we'll learn to assess and mitigate risks effectively. Keep these goals in mind as we explore the key concepts. AI projects operate in complex, unpredictable environments. Risks can arise from technical limitations, biased data, or societal impacts. If left unmanaged, these risks can lead to reputational harm, financial losses, and ethical violations. Proactively identifying risks early in the AI lifecycle is critical to prevent negative outcomes and build systems that users and stakeholders trust. Ethical risks are among the most critical challenges in AI. For example, biased training data can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes, while privacy violations arise from improper handling of sensitive data. Additionally, black box models can obscure how decisions are made, eroding trust. Addressing ethical risks ensures fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI systems. Operational risks can disrupt the functionality or reliability of AI systems. These include system failures, such as AI models breaking down under unexpected conditions, and security vulnerabilities like adversarial attacks. Real-world performance gaps, where models fail to generalize from training to production, can also cause significant issues. Managing operational risks is essential for ensuring AI systems perform as expected. Financial risks can quickly derail AI projects. Budget overruns often result from underestimating the costs of data collection, training, and testing. Regulatory noncompliance can lead to hefty fines, while redesigning flawed systems adds unexpected costs. Beyond these, trust breaches can reduce customer loyalty, impacting revenue. Proactively managing financial risks protects both resources and long-term profitability. Reputational risks can have long-lasting effects. AI failures or unethical practices can damage customer trust, attract negative media coverage, and lead to stakeholder backlash. For example, a biased hiring algorithm could erode confidence in a company's values. Rebuilding a damaged reputation takes time and resources, making it critical to anticipate and address reputational risks before they escalate. Risks can arise at every stage of the AI lifecycle. During data collection, poor quality or biased data sets create the foundation for problems. In model development, inadequate testing or overfitting compromises reliability. Deployment introduces real-world challenges the model wasn't trained for, while post-deployment risks include regulatory changes or emerging security threats. Identifying these sources helps us address risks proactively. Let's examine a real-world example. Facial recognition systems have faced significant criticism for bias, especially in misidentifying individuals from certain demographic groups. This highlights the importance of diverse training data in rigorous testing. By addressing these challenges early, organizations can avoid ethical violations and public backlash while building systems that work equitably for all users. Now it's your turn to apply what we've learned. Imagine your team is developing an AI-powered hiring tool. Consider the potential risks. What ethical, operational, financial, and reputational risks might arise? Use the framework we've discussed to categorize these risks and think about their sources. Today, we've learned that AI risks fall into four main categories: ethical, operational, financial, and reputational. These risks can emerge at any stage of the AI lifecycle, from data collection to post-deployment. The key takeaway is that identifying risks early allows us to develop strategies to address them effectively, building more trustworthy and reliable AI systems. This foundational knowledge will guide us in future lessons. Thank you for your engagement in this lesson. In the next session, we'll dive deeper into how to assess these risks using practical frameworks and tools. Take some time to reflect on today's activity and review the case study, as these insights will prepare you for the next steps in risk mitigation. Let's continue working toward building AI systems that are ethical, reliable, and sustainable.